Britain has ever produced, based on the Jaguar F-Pace SVR, but with 22% more power.
This is the new Lister Stealth. With a 666 brake horsepower engine upgrade tuned by Lister with bespoke intercoolers and supercharger pulleys, it produces 720 pounds-feet of torque.
Formed in 1951, Lister is Britain's oldest racing car company. Breaking records along the way, Lister have won the British Empire Trophy 4 times and firmly sealed their place in British racing history. In 1957, when William Lyons asked Brian Lister to put an XK engine in his car, the connection between Lister and Jaguar was formed and has continued to this day. The Stealth is the latest creation from Lister's design and development team to proudly sit alongside their F-Type based LFT 666. Its styling is enhanced by a redesigned carbon fibre front bumper, handmade in the UK, which aids cooling and aerodynamics, while side skirts, wheel arch extensions and a carbon diffuser add to the Stealth's distinctive looks. Stainless steel switchable exhaust system with carbon fibre tips, plus 23-inch wheels made by Vossen, which have been specifically designed by Lister and are fitted to lowered suspension that can be adjusted to a customer's preference. The luxurious interior features the highest grade Bridge of Weir Nappa leather and is offered in 36 colour choices and 90 different stitching options. So, not only do you sit in supreme style, but you drive the fastest SUV Britain has ever produced. Now, I'm not normally known as an SUV sort of man, but I think I'm about to become converted. The Lister Stealth. History, technology, speed, luxury.